Okay, so this next exercise, I'm the feeder, he's Yeshua. He touches my base and very softly stretches through me. Vital breathes into my body and floats me, so you inflate the balloon. Okay, take the pressure off your bridge and float me a bit more, a bit more, a bit more. Good. Okay, now we go to the building the ball exercise. I'm the ball, he's building the ball. Now he just breathes into my whole body and inflates. Then he applies his will in the same way you compress your hands to create that magnetic effect. So he creates a magnetism between me and his hands. Press into me, and I press into the magnet. And then again, press into me, I press into that magnet. So in the same way you compress the ball and get a magnetic quality, I'm the ball and he's compressing me, and I just press into that magnet. So we do this 3 times. 1, and compress the magnet a bit more. 2, and then on 3, I feed. And I transfer my body weight onto his base. But my feed, even though I'm sensitive to his base, is right on this space, this 1-inch buffer zone on his hand. So I want to build that magnet. So the way we build the ball and we feel that magnetic feeling, my partner, their ball, now you pay attention to my hands and press onto my hands, and then I get that magnetic repulsion off my hands. So this magnetic repulsion, you can use it to extend and magnetically reflect energy. I'll feed to you, you touch my base, get close to my elbows, inflate me, there we go. Now press the ball in, so I get that feeling good. Okay, 1, I press against it. 2, I press into it. And 3, I transfer my weight onto his feet. And we want to build that magnet up. When we're building that magnet up, we're going to get a nice strong fluid condensing on his hand, and that fluid has a very strong repelling effect. Okay, let's have a play. Thank you, sir.